by Kalorik.
Air fryer toaster oven is compact in size, yet spacious enough to air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum ease. With features of full-size models, this innovative unit has 6 functions: convection bake and convection broil, air fry. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. Air fry favorites such as chicken wings. Toast 4 slices of bread or bagel halves at once to serve up a quick and easy breakfast. Bake a 3-pound chicken in less than 60 minutes and save time with easy cleanup. The Cuisinart compact air fryer toaster oven has temperatures of up to 450 degrees and offers great performance without crowding the countertop. It's so simple to use. Turn the knobs to select function, time, and temperature. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart compact air fryer toaster.
Air fry your favorite foods and get the crunch without the calories. You can also bake, toast, broil, roast, convection bake, and keep foods in one toaster oven.